Hi everyone, welcome to my blog, Tech Hub blog. Today we are going to discuss difference between list and tuple in Python. So we have already discussed about lists and tuples, but today we will see what is the difference between them. So here I have listed down the features and what is the difference between list and tuple. Let's talk first about mutability. Mutability means change. So list we can modify it by adding or removing elements. That means list is mutable. Whereas tuple, we cannot modify a tuple by adding or removing elements. That means tuple is immutable. Performance, in terms of performance, lists are slower because they can be modifiable. That means they are mutable. Whereas tuple are faster due to because of their static size and it cannot be modified. That means you cannot add elements or you cannot remove elements. Let's talk about memory uses. So list uses more memory because they are mutable and memory will be occupied when you add or remove the elements. Tuple uses less memory in comparison to list. We have various method in list as we have seen like append method, extend method, remove method, and there are various other method in tuples also like index method, count method, but there are limited methods in tuple. Let's talk about syntaxes, and we can see that when we have declared the list. So list elements are inside square brackets like this. Whereas tuples, when we were declaring tuples, so the elements were in curve braces like this. Now, if we talk about the speed, so since lists are dynamic in nature, you can add or you can remove elements. So that is why it is little slower. Whereas tuples are faster because it is not dynamic. You cannot add or remove elements. Since we have list will require extra memory because they have dynamic allocation property. That means you can add or remove the elements. Where tuples are memory efficient because you cannot add or remove elements. So they are very efficient in terms of storage. If we talk about error safety, so since list can be modifiable, that means they are mutable. So they are prone to accidental changes. Their elements can be modified. Whereas tuple will maintain the data integrity and any accidental errors because they cannot be modifiable. So let's talk about the use cases where we need to use list and where we need to use tuples. Now list will be used when data needs to be changed, when that is when you need to add or remove some elements, so you can use the list there. Whereas if you want the data to be constant, so you can use the tuples. That means tuples are immutable and data cannot be added or removed. Here we have some sample example for list. List elements are inside square brackets, whereas tuple elements will be under curved brackets. So this is the difference between list and tuple. I have listed on the difference in my blog, so you can visit this Tech Hub blog. I will provide the link in the description also. You can go there and can check the differences between Python, list and tuples. Thank you everyone for your support. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And in the next videos, we will discuss some more other topics. Thank you.